saying about he tried tracking down a harness and it wasn't the right one?
Yeah, it's probably because he's got the...
mate. He stripped wires and everything in there.
He said they needed some soldering doing.
You're not kidding. Seats are good though.
Can you see the... These wires here. This is not what you want to see when you...
Is it worth pulling them bits out?
Oh, bonus.
Oh, sweet.
That's some free strippers.
Free strippers.
Oh, he's included the stereo.
Nice.
The original one doesn't look like it.
No, oh no. No.
Oh my god, that weighs a ton. Toyota.
It is original.
It's got a tape deck. It's pretty awesome actually.
What?
How'd you get it out? Eject.
Eject. Oh, you
It's
need
electronic
power
ejection. Did you realise that was even a thing on?
I can't believe you got tape. I really want to know what's on it.
I'll probably just keep this in because I never listen to the radio anyway when I drive these kind of cars.
Yeah.
The RX-7's got that Android one. I've never used the thing yet.
You know what? The one we put in mine, I only use for the sat nav.
Yeah. The dash is no cracks in the dash.
No, it looks alright. Seats just need a bit of dye.
Yeah, these can't be the original seats.
Nah.
Oh, actually, this centre console is a turbo console, so you must have switched it out for the turbo interior.
Oh, you got the black headliner. There you go. You've never had a car with a black headliner till now.
And 3 spiders.
Yeah, and 3 spiders. You need to, you've got to swap. Do you want to swap it for mine? My Sparko.
I don't know. I might keep it for now because the car's so cheesy. I think it kind of.
God awful steering wheel.
Oh my word. So.
Oh, well, he smoked in it.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
You can't smell it.
Oh, you've got the
V5. Yeah, I said include that.
Nice of him. And air freshener. Oh mate, love free air fresheners. How much money do you reckon's in here?
Is there money in there?
No, there's got to be, isn't there? See how much money you've actually just paid on this car already.
You know, you lift an engine.
Yeah.
And you put the hook through.
Yeah.
It's pretty strong.
That
I mean,
is a garden fence.
Yeah, that is definitely a garden fence. That is being repurposed.
Yeah.
I reckon they put this on, took it for a test drive, and thought, what the hell?
But that's going to rattle like a.
Yeah, that just.
Yeah. You'd probably be better off getting something that's going to mount down, or even like a. Do you know the guy who did the fiberglass light cover for the Rex? See if you can get just something from there to there, like a duckbill sort of scoop. I mean, the Ferraris didn't have a huge wing on the back. That's sort of the look it's going for.
This is one hell of a wing.
I don't know who made it.
And this is one hell of a bodge.
I know.
It's came off again. Must
Yeah,
be
light's falling off here as well.
It's factory. Down a bit. Right. Might try and pop the engine bay.
Yeah. I can't remember which way it goes. I think it goes that way. Oh well, it's not actually attached, which is cool.
Can you manage it yourself, or is it too heavy?
Keep your hand on that just in case someone's walking over. Oh, you can't, can you?
No, try and get past the Rex.
Yep.
You got it?
Yeah.
Just lay it down somewhere.
Lay it on the grass.
Yeah, you're not going to damage it. Okay, so first impressions, it isn't as bad as I thought. This is bad. What the hell? Oh, look at that.
That was simple enough. First modification.
Why would they even put that on? eBay fiver?
I wouldn't even say that. So
F355.
intercooler.
Bit of rust on top of the shocks. What the hell is this? Is that a fog light?
Will be. Christ. Is that for the MOT? Shocking.
Has it got a fog light? Yeah.
You need a cold feed for. That's your intercooler, isn't it? Yeah, because that's your
intercoolers. This is your intercooler.
Yeah, so you're going to need a cold feed for that. Has it got a duct on your side with like air coming up to it? Otherwise,
it will have.
It's not going to do anything.
At the side here, I think.
Okay.
So, right, so where's the air cleaner?
Should be on the. Oh, where's your intake? Here. Well, good news is you got a HKS one. Bad news is rust and the internals are shot. but you can buy new internals.
That the air filter?
That is.
Mushroom air filter?
Yeah. It's getting there from here, to be honest with you.
Yes, that's doing its job, but that looks, yeah, that needs replacing.
Replace that. What you can do is, you know the mesh? You can
I'll take that off, because if I crank it and it sucks all that crap in, then...
Yeah, it ain't going to be good.
So, I mean, to be honest, I'm just looking at rust at the minute.
That's what,
I'm also looking at all these wires that are just hanging out with cuts off them.
I don't like this.
What's all that? Where does that even go to? What is that?
Oh, no, that's got to... I'd say your math should be in here somewhere.
Yeah, that'll be that. Yeah, no, that's aftermarket. That.
That's gonna be lights, isn't it?
Oh, is it these again?
Same lights. So it's probably just some shitty hand rigged.
Have they had like some sort of like weird reverse lamps or something at some point? Just
could be. Because
I mean that.
Yeah. Some lamp.
Crack the coolant cap off. The Japan one. Has it got coolant? No.
No.
Right.
Well,
what's the cap look like? Is it perished or is it?
I'll clean it.
What's that?
It's not that bad.
Does it look like that cap?
It's milk. It's not, well,
oh.
It could be sediment, you know, like the RX-7.
I don't know, that's not.
Pull the dipstick.
Where is? Oh, there it is.
Because if the oil smells like coolant, it's your cylinder head.
Oh, it smells like petrol.
If it smells like petrol, that ain't too bad. That's just it stopped starting.
That's injectors. No, oil is fine.
Yeah.
It's not too bad either.
It could do
it's
a
all
coolant
full.
flush.
Oh, it definitely needs a coolant flush. It needs a lot of things flushed, to be honest. Oh dear me. Well,
there's no obvious leaks.
I've got to be honest. It's not. I can't see any rust.
No, I can't.
Like zero.
Which is good.
I mean, the main concern.
It's something, you know. That's a good start, isn't it?
Well, rust is the main issue I've got. What the hell? Okay, that's some sort of sensor.
O2?
Yeah, probably.
So where's your exhaust manifold?
This is it?
Here? Right,
yeah.
That's the O2 sensor then.
So why is that disconnected?
Oh.
Probably
because the guy's an idiot.
Well,
oh, no. Has he decatted it? If he's decatted it, you don't need your O2.
Right.
So that could be that.
So why isn't this tied up then? It's just flopping about. I mean,
I don't know.
Do you want to scratch the paint on the? Yeah. Oh. No, because I need to get the bin out. Well, I can't get in because there's too much shit. On the floor. Oh. Oh. Right, I'm in. Clutch is stiff as hell.
Is it? Does the gearbox move?
Yeah, it's a short. Is that a short shift?
Short shift, yeah.
Can't get it in 6.
That's 6.
Oh, the 6 gears.
Is that 6?
6?
Sure.
Oh, is that reverse?
I was going to say, I think that's...
It's downright reverse. Because on here it's got
on
reverse
Skyline.
top left.
Yeah, I think.
So it's the wrong knob, obviously.
Yeah. I don't think they had 6 gears.
First, second,
not back then.
third, fourth. Yeah.
This is the gear edge, you ain't got to have 6 gears.
Sounds very metal, doesn't it? Brakes, hard. Throttle, springy.
Do that again.
First crank, nothing. I'm surprised by that, like. Oh, what's this here? What's that bit?
Is that on your immobiliser? Do you know, like,
what's the prongs for?
you put it near the ignition
Them two little...
when you start the car?
Where? Just like anywhere?
I think so. It's like an old school way of doing it. Like the key would have something in it. If it wasn't in, then it wouldn't start.
dead. Oh, God's
well.
dead.
Gonna like battery with this thing, yeah?
So black interior, is that standard for the sunroof? Seems to... Sunroof seems to work. It's got a crack in it, but it's on the outside, so...
Yeah. Pair of glass as well, so...
No goodies?
Oh, there's got to be some goodies.
Oh, nothing.
There's a screw over here. Get some free screws.
ECU.
It's
Ah.
pretty trim, but I don't know, it's not internal trim, is it?
Oh, don't know.
Because these roll off, so that looks like external.
The RX-7 over there, I can feel the car vibrating over here.
Oh.
Who's that bloody loud RX-7?
I think that's part of the side skirt.
I think I need to get out and do you know what?
That's external.
I don't even know if this is a real Sparko wheel.
It doesn't.
That looks real, but that doesn't. I mean,
Oh, you could have bought it after Market Badge, I guess.
it feels kind of real, but it's good points. Is that all the interior apart from this, but obviously
I love the seats.
trim goes on this, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All the interior is in really good condition. I'm pretty sure this isn't the original interior. This dash has not seen 156,000 mile. Surely not.
No.
I just noticed there's like a handrail here.
Yeah. Passenger grab rail. I love the seats though.
They're very comfy.
Yeah.
They're in like immaculate condition. Like I say immaculate, but
For the
that
age.
my Range Rover is probably not far past, like close to that.
This is just going to need like microfiber with a black dye.
Yeah.
Just rubbing into it, and that's it.